Do you want to know how to bake chicken wings in the oven that come out perfectly crispy every time? A Parmesan and garlic wings recipe that makes a wonderful appetizer for your game day parties. Hey there, I'm London Brazil from evolvingtable.com, where you'll learn how to make nourishing meals for your loved ones. And today I'll be teaching you how to make these Parmesan and garlic baked chicken wings. With the Super Bowl just around the corner, I wanted to make sure you had this recipe in your back pocket because no game day party would be complete without a big old platter of chicken wings. And instead of frying ours in a bunch of unhealthy fats, we'll actually be baking them in the oven until they are perfectly golden and ultra crispy. But is that even possible, you might be thinking? It absolutely is. And I've got a few tips and tricks up my sleeve that I'll be sure to share with you in this video. So if you're ready to get to cooking, come on in and let's get started. We'll first start off by preheating the oven to 400 degrees. For this recipe, we'll be using 2 pounds of chicken wing portions. Most grocery stores already have their chicken wings cut into wingettes and drumettes. By buying these already prepared, it will save you one more step in the process. You can either use all wingettes, all drumettes, or a combination of the two. In a bowl that's large enough to fit all of our wings, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 4 cloves of crushed garlic, half to 1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and half a teaspoon of salt. Whisk ingredients together until a thick sauce forms. This is going to help our crispy coating stick to all of our chicken wings while baking. So let's go ahead and add all of the chicken wing portions into the sauce. Toss until they're well coated. And now for one of the secret tricks. We're going to sprinkle 2 tablespoons of cornstarch over all of the wings. The starch sticks to the wings and will help create that crunchy coating. You can also use tapioca starch if you're avoiding grains. Toss the wings again until they are all completely coated in the starch. Lastly, we'll add the Parmesan cheese. It is important that you get grated and not shredded Parmesan cheese. The grated cheese is smaller and will stick more easily to the chicken wings. Add 1/3 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. You can add this incrementally and toss between additions so all the wings are coated evenly. It's time for a little pop quiz. Do you think it's better to bake chicken wings on aluminum foil or parchment paper? Parchment paper! Not only is it healthier for you, but it also makes removing the chicken wings an absolute breeze. Aluminum foil tends to stick to the chicken wings while baking and will turn into a sticky mess. Trust me, I've done it before when we were out of parchment paper. You don't want to do it. So line a large baking sheet with a piece of parchment paper and spray it with non-stick cooking spray. Place wings in a single layer, making sure not to overlap them. One quick thing to point out, I've placed the chicken wings skin side down. You'll see why in just a little bit here. If you'd like to prepare these wings ahead of time, you can stop at this point. Simply refrigerate the wings for up to 2 days in advance of your party. On the day of serving, let them come to almost room temperature before baking as directed. But since we're going to be snacking on these wings tonight, I'm gonna pop them into our preheated 400-degree oven for 35 to 40 minutes. Halfway through baking, flip the chicken wings over so they can cook evenly. Once done baking, turn the oven to a high broil. To get that perfectly crispy skin, you will want to make sure and broil the wings skin side up. See, our wings are already there. Broil for 4 to 6 minutes, watching closely so they do not burn. Yay, our wings are done baking and look at how crispy and crunchy that skin is. That beautiful golden color. The only thing they're missing is a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese and a bit of fresh parsley. These wings taste incredible on their own, but you can also pair them with Italian dressing, blue cheese dressing, or my favorite, a little bit of ranch dressing. Oh yeah. Mmm. Mmm. Mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. Oh my goodness, these are like the best chicken wings I've ever had. And can you believe that we baked them in the oven and we still got that super crispy skin? I have a feeling these are going to be the first thing to go at your Super Bowl party. If you liked what you saw here today, make sure you check out these other easy appetizer recipes. And don't forget to give it a big ol' thumbs up below. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss another nourishing meal to serve your loved ones. See you again soon.